Hi! In front of me is CAT S53 and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this smartphone. First of all, go into Play Store and click on the search bar. Now type in DevCheck. Now you need to install this free app from Flare2 developer, DevCheck device and system info. When your app is ready, open it. Now thanks to it, you can learn all the informations about your cat's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!